guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just set up the camera in a different way now. And the next one we've got to do is PlayStation 5. Promised it. It is the 10th right now and my birthday's tomorrow. This video will be going up hopefully on the 11th of July, which is my birthday, and I'll be turning 30. So yeah. Real life happens. So this is a much bigger box. This boy here, much bigger box. Does it actually say our CPU, SSD, reader, the rules of what the PlayStation console can do? Does it say how much freaking memory this thing has? I don't think so. No, we'll have to just get into it and see. Alright, so we're going to have to get into this thing. Sunny is now here. She's being a bit of a glutz. So we're opening this now. It's a lot more heavier than the other box. So, hang on. So the first thing I've noticed is right on the top we have a neat little booklet that most of us would never read. Quick start guide. Maybe it'll have it in here. Let's hope so. Let's hope that it actually has it in here. Hook. What the fuck is a hook? Console at the top down. I still don't know what a fucking hook is. Yeah, I know how that works. Basic shit, like just plugging it into your TV. This is all shit that I already know from other consoles in the past. How to like fucking like put a lock on your console for like kids that you don't want them to see boobs or too much violence and blood. There's a mute button on the controller. Insert white, console is on. Orange is, yeah, orange is in rest mode, blah blah blah. So it doesn't say anything there. Safety guide. Whatever. So those are the guidebooks. This is the power cord, I think. Yeah, it's basically the PlayStation 3 power cord. And we have a little sleeve for our controller here. I might just keep this sleeve because I might actually have to put like a controller away at some point, so I might keep this. Like my Xbox One. Oh, that is so pretty. That is fucking gorgeous. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look at that. It's par fucking dope, isn't it? It's gorgeous. That's actually a button? And it lights up. Let's see. See? Lights up. Like, there's like this little PlayStation symbol here. Oh, okay, so if you have like a wired remote, like if you have like a headset on and it's like widely plugged in, this button here underneath the PlayStation button, because it's like, it's the PlayStation symbol, but it's actually a button to turn the thing on instead of it being a circle now. But there's a mute button just underneath that for your wired headset. Do you mind, Missy Moo? Do you mind, Missy? Do you mind? How rude. How very, very rude. You're a rude girl. You're a very rude little girl. Yeah, you are. You want to come say hi to people? Okay, so it feels like there's something else in here, which there is. And here's that thing they were telling me about. And then there's this. The thing to connect to the TV. Nothing underneath here. Yeah, there's the charger cord. They're changing all of the cords. Like, literally for the Xbox Series S to the PlayStation 5, they're all changing their charger cords to be exactly like the Switch, which is just asinine. They're just copying off the Switch at this point. They're just like, oh, the Switch has like a different like cord to it, so we're just gonna like follow them. Because you know what? They're actually smart. I'm already unhappy. Not with you. How rude. We have a baby cat now. She's gotten very big, hasn't she? She's getting... She's a good girl though, I love her. Getting back to where I was. Shush you. There is styrofoam that's loose in the box. And anybody who knows about styrofoam, like, it's not the stuff that comes apart into tiny little particles and goes everywhere, but it's still annoying that it's still loose in the packaging. I think that the Series S did a lot better with packaging than this, because I can't even take it out of the box. Oh god, it's heavy. Oh fuck. This is a heavy bitch. Oh. I'm gonna have to turn it on its side. Because it's heavy. It's really... Well, okay, both hands. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I'm gonna have to turn it upside down. Gravity, help me. This is how weak I am. I can't lift it out of the damn box, so I have to have gravity help me out with this. Good thing it has like 2 protective layers on it, and it's not just the console. So, first step, I had to turn it upside down to get the damn console out. She'll eventually calm down. And this is what I'm talking about. They're good for like keeping it like still and all that sort of stuff, but I still don't like it being loose in the packaging. Then here we are. Oh, it's a big boy. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's a big boy. We've still got the yin and yang colours, which I love, and it's the digital version. Okay, so the back of it, there's nothing too fancy about it. There's still just the plugins as usual. I'm just trying to look for some crazy little device like that one had, which eventually I'm going to have to buy the damn card for it. Alright, that's just the stand thing. Okay, that's the on button. Alright, there's no like crazy little details about it. There's like this here, which I don't understand what the fuck that's for. I don't quite understand what that is actually for. I can understand this is for like a wired controller, this part here. I don't understand what this is for. I might double check that again. Put this on the floor safe and sound. Might actually just put it on the flat ground because I don't want to put it on the carpet. It's on like a wavy edge. Safety guy, we don't need that. I've just been watching a lot of Wildcat. Shush shush. Okay, so that's the back. What do you have to tell me about the front of it? Is it actually going to tell me what this fucking thing is? Stop it! Okay, the device is for that. I know that. It's just I don't know what the other plug-in underneath it's for. And it doesn't look like it's going to tell me. Like, what the fuck? Like, why wouldn't you tell someone? Okay, yeah. No, that's in the back. It doesn't say it. Like, I'm looking at it like multiple times, guys. It doesn't say anything. There's no directions on what. Like, there's directions on the internet, the power button. There's directions here on everything, except for that one little plug-in port. That one tiny little plug-in port, there's no information about. Are you fucking kidding me? You give us a fucking guide and there's no explanation of what that fucking plug-in situation is. No, what the fuck? Fine. Okay, so Sunny was being a little bit fussy, so my mum's come and gone to get her. So, and now there's already a little cat fur on it. So, I'm guessing this... I'm guessing this will be the bottom if I put it sideways. Where the hell am I going to put this thing? That's the only problem. If I can't lay it faced up, actually there's a huge gap there, and I'm just hoping that it's big enough between here and there to stick this bitch there. I'm hoping it's big enough. And this is the power. Let's hope that where I'm actually going to put this thing, it's actually long enough to go there. Possibly. This is the same length as the other one, and I had to get a power cord. I had to get an extension cord for this thing just to be able to run it from underneath my desk, this one, to the Series S. So basically, the power cords are turning into all PlayStation 3 power cords, and the chargers for the remote are turning into the cords from the Switch. The only complaint I have is that this isn't long enough. Probably not going to be. But let's get this bitch sorted out and find out if it actually is long enough. I'm not going to leave this video as long as the last one. I'm not going to try to. After all, I didn't edit the last one, so Trish, can you please not let this be not as long as the other one? And then again, I do tend to ramble, so let's get on with it, shall we? Okay guys, this is where the console's going to be. Sorry that the blinds are open. It's just, it is very early in the morning. Well, not 100% early, it's just like 10 o'clock in the morning. But that's where it's going to be. It's actually a lot more thinner, thankfully. So, I'm going to have my computer monitor here. And my TV, watching Wildcat. That's my speaker. Jiggly poof. And yeah, you know the rest. It's over there. So, wish me luck. Though the cord might work. Wish me luck. Okay guys, I've got some bad news. It looks like that my capture card actually won't work with the PlayStation 5, which makes sense in a way, because my this capture card works with everything except for the PlayStation 5. So I'm gonna have to look that up. The reason why I have to do it like this is because the capture card that I have won't capture what's going on screen. I've tested it, and this capture card is just it's just apparently too old. I might need to get the upgraded version. I just didn't think I'd have to get it. I would need to have to get the upgraded version because I'm not going backwards in the whole, because apparently I've just looked it up and it's the only one that will work with a PlayStation 5. And if anybody out there has got a Series X and wants to use a capture card, you're gonna have to fucking focus, camera. You're gonna have to spend that much money if you live in Australia. So that's what you're gonna have to spend your money on. So I'll see you guys next time the PlayStation 5's plugged in, and any future PlayStation 5 only limited edition games that you see on my channel. My first channel, Dashinlight, or my second channel, Dashinnight. If any PlayStation 5 games limited edition turn up there, then that's where they're going to be. And yeah, that's all really what I can say about all of this. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care of yourselves, love you, and bye.